Welcome to station number 3, guys, for place value. So here's what we're going to do on this station. You are going to have cutout cards of numbers like this, and then you're going to have a bunch of cutout items, sorry that I'm scrolling, that look like this. And it's the word form of the word as well as the expanded form, okay? So what you are going to do is you're going to match up all three. You're going to find which number card in its standard form matches with which word form and which expanded form. You're going to lay these out in front of you, and then you have a sheet that you are going to write your answers on. So once you find all of them and you think you have them all matched up, you are going to write all the forms of the word. And as you put them together, you could certainly do this too. Um, you're going to write them across your sheet of paper that you're going to receive that says place value. And you write the standard form, which is the number. Then you write the word form and then the expanded form. And you're going to fill in your sheet with all the different matches that you have. Let me know if you have any questions.